Come on along. So you guys, here I am sitting in my favorite part of the shop, on my ass, in front of the camera. I got a story for you, and I gotta tell you. You know I can be a BSer, but this is no BS. All right. Let's see what day it is. Okay, a week ago and a day, I get a phone call in the afternoon about a machine that died out in the woods. It didn't die, it had an issue. And that's all I'm gonna say, it had an issue. And that was late on a Friday, and I said, hey, that's out of my pay level. Call up north to Ponce, North America, Ponce, and talk to so-and-so, and he'll help you out. Well, he found his problem, fixed the problem, and he still had a problem. I know I'm being real vague, but I don't want to give everything away. So I went up there Saturday morning, and the Scorpion King, me and my boy went up there, and by the way, my boy is, yeah, you'll see, he's back to working for me, which is a great thing. Anyhow, we went up there on Saturday to see what we could figure out, or at least analyze, look at the situation. And I had things to do, but I did it because that's what we do. It's no BS when I say that. 90% of us that work for Ponce are that way. And if we're not, we're just burned out from too much of it. But or we leave. Yeah, anyway, so we went up there Saturday. So we needed tech support. We needed a guy on the ground, and I used the power and technology right here, sent the text off to the proper person, set it up on the weekend, mind you. He got back to me the next morning, Sunday morning, on an email, included the right people. Monday morning, the tech man was on his way, the service tech, to my place. I met him, we went to that place, which was 30 minutes from my place, and by, it was 9:30 in the morning, 10 o'clock. So he gave up, the operator gave up at 6 o'clock, and he was just traveling it over to the next job that they couldn't start until Monday anyways. So we got there, and what you're gonna see here is just a short piece of his operator starting to make his way into the woods, make the road in. He's just gonna start cutting, and then I cut out, but that's all the video I got. But we got him rolling. It was a simple fix, but nonetheless, my point being is that it was late on Friday. I was able to get a hold of the right people. Monday morning we're there. Maybe all the stars aligned. Maybe everything was just in a row. But I preach it and I preach it and I preach it. And if you don't get that kind of, I mean, that's what we portray is actually real when we're associated with Ponce. It's real people that take care of their customers, and I'm not just saying that. It's just I just get impressed every time because I sit here on the other side and I try to work with the green machines and I try to work with those people, and it's like they don't really give one. They just, well, they got their fingers in so many other, construction and whatever, and they're not dedicated to just one product line or two, forwarders, harvesters. And it's just bar none, blows my mind away. So I asked when the operator, the owner, come up. He come up, he had to fuel the guy up before he went in the woods. And I said, so how was that? I says, how was your downtime on that one? He says, pretty good, 4 hours. That was it. Because they couldn't start the job until that Monday morning anyways. His forwarders were already there, so he had guys waiting, which is always how it works. You got 1, 2 forwarders, one guy with another machine working, and a hand cutter, and 4 hours. But he was proactive, got a hold of us, you know, like I said, on Friday. But we worked and found an avenue of getting him back to work on Monday morning, first thing. And they spared a guy that really could have been doing something else to help him out and to get us going. So I wanted to relay that story, and I'm just going to show you a little video, because that's all I got. He's a young operator, and I didn't want to get him too flustered there, and he was right on the road just getting started with the brush and stuff. So I don't know what you guys do on the other side of the coin with the other machinery, and I'm not gonna spin that wool. I just take it for what it's worth and what I see and what I do in this business. It's just phenomenal, the support. And I'll be like a broken record forever. You just can't get it any better. And we get spoiled by it, so then when I do work on the other colored machines, I'm like, what the heck? I can't move, they can't move fast enough for me because we get spoiled. And that goes for existing customers too, you know, with the Ponzi brand. I'm just gonna lay it out there, you know, we don't forget you. There's so much that goes on in a day in that office up there, that with tech support and people, and you know, just everybody returns the phone calls, and it's hard when they get 100 phone calls a day, and they try to help you in the woods so you don't have to bring the stuff into the shop. They're saving you money every day. The other companies, all they do is say, bring it in, or we'll send the tech. So don't forget that as customers also of Ponza, because them guys work their asses off on the telephone, in the shop, everywhere. It's you don't see that so much on the inside, but I do. I appreciate it, because I sometimes have to wait half a day, and I'm a service dealer, you know, never mind, I'm not gonna go there. So watch it, enjoy the little bit of clip there, and I'm not ranting, I'm bragging, and I'm proud of it, and I think anybody that gets into machinery these days should really look at that. It's all about your downtime, you guys. You gotta know that. It's all about downtime. How long can you sit, especially as volatile as the markets can be? And I'm not a logger, but I hear it all the time. So, all right, enjoy, take care, have a good one. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah. Don't worry, I ain't going. Hey guys, if you'd like to see more, help support the channel, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notifications every time I put up a video. It'd be really appreciated. This gets to be quite a chore sometimes, and every little bit and every one of you subscribers helps, so I'd appreciate it. Click the subscribe, the little bell. Take care. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy my videos.